Hola, te habla Juan Nieto. Before to shoot, I placed the BlackMagic Pocket 6K Pro on a tripod, which is the camera that I have been using in the last videos. Although it have the option to adapt SD cards, I store everything on an SSD hard drive that is connected to the camera's USB-C port, and then edit from there directly on the computer or in the iPad. I connect it to the wall. Adapt a raw Canon 35mm t.5 aperture manual lens. With the help of a friend, I focus his eyes and adjust the manual aperture. I set the capture to Apple ProRes 422 HQ, which is a codec that perfectly fits with DaVinci Resolve and Final Cut Pro, which is the program that I normally use to edit my videos. I set the color profile to flat. If you want to make your videos look expensive, use a Sony Canon BlackMagic Pocket camera. Learn how to set it from scratch with this playlist by joining the members area of this channel. Also, to get my direct contact to ask me any questions you have or get my comments to take your videos to the next level. Time to edit. You can download DaVinci Resolve for free on the App Store. I connect the hard drive to the iPad and go to Files. I will open the last video to listen to the clip that I sing from the recorder.
Listo, grabando. 58.
El 58, the 58. This is the recorder's SD. I don't have an adapter from SD to USB-C, which is the port of the iPad, but Lightning. I'll connect it to this iPhone and open Files. I look for the folder that contains the track number 58. I will send it to the iPad by AirDrop and select the option Save on Files on the same hard drive as the BlackMagic footage. Enable all tabs. At the moment, to make use of all the tabs in DaVinci Resolve for iPad, it's necessary to use a keyboard. If you don't have a physical one, you can download the Bluetooth app for free on another device, as well as on the iPad. Then go to Settings, and in this case the iPhone was automatically connected. Now open DaVinci. Press Alt plus Command plus key combination to open the shortcuts window. Search Show Page. Select Edit and give it a comment. In this case, I will put Ctrl plus E, click on Save. Rename it. I'll just put a 2 at the end and close the panel. Now press Ctrl plus E on the keyboard and the Edit tab will appear. You can appear the rest of the tabs you find in the desktop version of DaVinci by opening the same window, Ctrl plus Command plus key, search Show Page, and for example, I will assign a comment to the Fairlight tab. Can be Ctrl plus F, save and close window. Now press Ctrl plus F, and the Fairlight tab will appear. I will return to the Editing tab. Synchronize the audio record separately. Click on Import Media. Select the video and audio record separately. Open. This is the original audio from the clip.
De hoy te enseñaré a editar en DaVinci Resolve para iPad.
And this is from the recorder.
Hola, soy Juan Nieto. En el día de hoy te enseñaré a editar en DaVinci Resolve.
To replace the audio's video with the recorder, select both. Hold to right-click. Auto Sync. Based on waveforms. Then drag the video to the timeline, and it will already have the high-quality audio from the recorder.
Hola, soy Juan Nieto.
Here you can control the view of the size of the clips in the timeline. Take the edge of the clip and drag it to trim it.
Hola, soy Juan Nieto. En el día de hoy te enseñaré a editar en DaVinci Resolve para iPad. Comenzamos.
Best resolution for YouTube. Keep the timeline selected. Then go to Timeline Settings. Uncheck the Use Project Settings box and change the resolution to 3840 per 1920. Next tab. Color. I will add a new node by clicking on this icon and zoom in my face. Raise the highlights and reduce them until the face doesn't look overexposed. Reduce the shadows. raise the saturation, and control the midtones. To export, assuming the video is ready, I'll go to Quick Export, Export, and you can save it on the iPad internal storage, iCloud or the external hard drive. Gracias por ver, hasta luego.